Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today we're gonna be doing puff puff and beans. The first thing we want to do is to mix the water, yeast and sugar in a bowl until the yeast is well dissolved. Let's go ahead and add our yeast and water into the flour and mix with a spatula or hands. I prefer using my hands because it goes faster, even though it's gonna be messy. So let's mix and then we'll be back. Cover your bowl and keep in a warm area and allow to rise for about 30 minutes. Stir your beans and allow to cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes. Meanwhile, in another pot, let's put in some vegetable oil to start frying our puff puff. Take a handful of the mixture and drop into the pot, forming round shapes. Wow fam, the puff puff looks yummy. I can't wait to taste it, oh my god. Meanwhile, don't forget to turn off the heat under your beans. It's ready. And then continue focusing on the puff puff. Puff and beans is ready. So we're gonna try to see how it looks like. Look at how soft. So let's try the beans. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and equally comment. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.